Ever since time began, there have been wars. People have been fighting against each other. The Americans fought the Spaniards. The British fought the Germans. The Boers fought the Brits. And the Rhodesians fought the Ndebele. Those were wars between people. But at the moment, we've got another war in our hands called coronavirus. We've all got to fight it. I would like to document a little song about Rhodesia on the 1st of December 1893, where a battle took place between the Rhodesians and the Ndebele.
We fought them at the Bunker, 'twas just the other day. They laid an ambush in our path, we went another way, to catch a away, oh, and stop a fearful war. Salisbury Horse, Victoria Rangers, and the OK Corps, on the first day of November of 1893. We fought the Ndebele at the Battle of Mbembesi. We formed a lager on a hill at midday for to rest. We saw in so many regiments towards the west. We swung the 7-pounder round, let a big one fly. And from the east the Mbembesi gave their battle cry on the first day of November of 1893. We fought the Ndebele at the Battle of Mbembesi. The wilding Bubo with the fierce Mbembesi on their right came charging from the northern bush, they were a fearful sight. And near 6,000 warriors, we stopped them on the run. The bravest of the brave could never match the Maxim gun on the first day of November of 1893. We fought the Ndebele at the Battle of Mbembesi on the first day of November of 1893. We fought the Ndebele at the Battle of Mbembesi. We fought the Ndebele at the Battle of Mbembesi.